Hello everyone and welcome to the month of February. In this sequence, we're going to allow ourselves to feel free and welcome ourselves into a new month, but also allow your bodies and your minds to set an intention that work together. So that idea of setting an intention can come from just a mindset for yourself, a way to view your mornings into your evenings, or even just an idea of a word that is meaningful to you. So as we move today, I want your mind to move towards an intention. As we set an intention together, I want you to allow yourself to feel focused on that as well. So as we sit together, go ahead and find a comfortable seat. If sitting down on your butt doesn't feel good, maybe allow yourself to come onto your knees or sit on a pillow or a block. And bring your hands together at your heart and close your eyes gently. Start to deepen your breath in and out through your nose. And feel your body right here as you ground your tail and open your heart. Allow yourself to focus on this concept of being with your body, being quiet in your mind, and allowing yourself to feel your movements today. Sometimes your bodies will explain how you feel versus your mind and what you're thinking. So allow yourself to listen. Let's go ahead and very slowly open the gaze, reach the arms up and overhead into a big stretch. And then we're going to interlock the fingers, slip the hands up to the sky, so lift your heart, and then exhale, take your chin down, and then stretch through the back of your neck. Inhale as we breathe in. Good. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. We're going to ground our feet. I'm just going to rotate to the side. Place your hands behind you. Fingers can face your butt, or they can rotate around. And then you're going to inhale, just lift your hips way up. Exhale, drop your head and open the heart. And if you can't drop your head all the way, that's okay. Lift your hips a little bit more and then exhale, slowly lower down. Good. Wrap your arms around your legs and then pull your face into your knees. And then one more time, we're going to find that shape. I'm going to turn my hands towards my tail this time. Inhale, lift up. Reverse tabletop. Exhale, have a seat. And then the opposite arm comes on top to hug yourself. Good. From here, very slowly, I want you to find boat pose. So pick up your feet. Find your core, raise your chest forward and breathe here. Inhaling and exhaling slowly. Find your core and then hug your inner thighs in towards each other. Take a full breath in, exhale, lower halfway down and hover the legs and hover your torso. Come all the way back up, heart up. Good, slowly lower, hover. Exhale, come all the way up. Last one together, slowly lower. And then come all the way up. Let's cross our ankles and come forward to our hands and our knees. And then wiggle your hips a little bit side to side, feeling the hips shift from left to right. And then inhale, you're going to find your first cow pose. So look up at the sky for me, stick out your tail, stretch your abs out. And then exhale, cat. So you're going to tuck your chin, raise your spine up into the air, and then create more room as you move forward and back a little bit here. So keeping this cat spine as you move. Good. Exhale, let's come to down dog for our first time. Curl your toes and push it back and feel your body. So we're going to take 3 breaths here, and during those 3 breaths, I want you to notice, where is your mind this month? Where is your body physically, emotionally, from the outside and the inside? So all those motivators. And then how is all of that making you feel about life, yourself, work, and more? Go ahead and inhale, come into your high plank, feel nice and strong in your arms, and then exhale, push back through your down dog. Good, lengthen the spine, relax the neck. One more time, inhale, forward. And exhale, back. From here, you're going to tiptoe inch by inch, bone by bone, up to your hands so that you're in a yummy forward fold. If you want to, you can wrap your hands around your legs, or you can press onto the floor and then Feel your forward fold. Shift your tailbone up, drop your heart. Good. From here, inhale, rise to stand, reach up and over the head. Look up to the sky. And then exhale, bow forward. Bring your hands down through the heart. Halfway lift your spine, gaze forward. Exhale, fold forward. And we're gonna take our left foot and take a giant step out and then spin towards each other. Take this wide-legged forward fold and then just feel your hips here and breathe. We're gonna bend one knee and then we're gonna slowly bend into the other. So as we shift from side to side, take your time and just feel your body and this movement together. Left side and right side. Working into the hips, waking up. And then exhale one more time to the last side. And then what we'll do is we'll meet back in the center in a wide-legged forward bend. Exhale, fold in. Bring the right hand to the center of the mat. Bring your shoulder right over it. Raise your left arm way up to the sky and lean back. Try not to move your hips too much. Reach up really high. Exhale, lower the hand back down. Press into your left palm. Raise your right arm way up to the sky. Good. Exhale, both hands down. Fold forward. Spin to the front of the mat. Exhale, step into your down dog. Big step back. Go ahead and roll forward to plank. We'll take our first chaturanga together, so elbows bend. Inhale, up dog or cobra, lift your heart. Exhale, through your down dog, press back. Inhale, raise your right leg to the sky. Exhale, step forward, place your back knee down. Check in with your hips and notice how they feel, and then very gently ease into this pose. Raise your arms high into the air, lift your gaze. Good. Exhale, lower your hands down. Inhale, gently lift the right leg back up to the sky. Bend your knee, open up your hip, walk your hands back a little bit so we can bring this left heel all the way down. And then inhale, straighten the leg, close the hip, and then release your foot. Second side, inhale, raise your left leg. Exhale, step forward. We'll bring our right knee down. Inhale, slowly bring your torso up, take your time. And then inhale, raise your arms, reach up high. Hold here, 3. Get big in the heart, 2. Exhale, release your hands on 1. Curl your back toes from here. Left leg lifts up and back. Bend your knee, open up your hip. And then walk your hands back a little bit so you can root your heel down. Hold here for 3, 2, straighten the leg. Now let the hip close and then release. We'll slide to plank together. Take our vinyasa, lower down. Inhale up. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Tiptoe all the way up to your hands. Find your forward fold again. Any one you wish, so feel free to wrap your hands around your legs or press into the earth. Feel your tailbone lift up, lower your heart. And then from here, inhale, rise all the way to stand, reach way up into the air. And then exhale, release your hands down by your sides. From here, we're gonna hug our right knee to our chest, so you're standing on your left leg for me. And then really pull the knee high up to the stomach. Breathe in, and then raise both arms up. Interlock the fingers like we did seated. Press straight up into the air, lengthen the spine. And then hold this energy as you shift forward to warrior 3. Push and open the heart, reach with your back heel. Feel your body and what it's willing to do right now. And then exhale the right hand down. Hard pose, stay straight through this left leg. Use a block under your right hand if you need to. And then this left arm is gonna come straight up for twisted half moon. Open up and reach and push through your back heel. Take a big full breath in. And then you're gonna lower this left hand down. Take a deep stretch and standing split. And then lower your right foot to meet your left so that we can find chair pose together for our first time. Raise your arms, lower your tail. Pull your hands to heart center. Exhale, twist to the right, crossing tricep over thigh and rolling spine. Look to the right more, raise the right elbow. Sit deeper and then breathe into your twist. Inhale. Exhale for 3, roll the spine. Inhale. Exhale for 2, keep shifting the weight back. 1 more. And then inhale, reach up high. And then we'll fold forward together. Good, breath out. From here, we'll step or jump through a vinyasa. Take your time. Lower down. Inhale. And exhale. Take 3 breaths in this down dog to reset. If your heels are touching, walk those toes back. Let the legs work. Soften your knees a little bit. So you don't want those legs hyperextending. And again, check in. Where's your mind? How's your month look? What do you want from yourself and your body? Go ahead and 1 more inhale. Exhale, look forward. You can tiptoe with me or jump up to your hands. Totally depends on your energy. Lift and lengthen. And then exhale, fold. Inhale, standing, reach all the way up to the sky, lean back. Exhale your hands to the heart and then gently down by the sides. Let's do the second side of that standing sequence. So we're gonna inhale, bring the left knee up to the stomach. Ground the right foot and really reach the knee up to the tummy. Now use your core, hold this pose, press the palms up. Breathe in. So as you push up, this should help you stand taller. And then as we shift forward, I want you to feel this effort in your standing leg for warrior 3. Try to look forward, see your fingertips and reach back through your heel. Stay there for 3. Keep reaching with your heart for 2. Exhale, left hand down. Keep this left leg at the height of your butt. Keep your right leg as straight as you can, and then inhale, spin and open, right arm high. Really hard pose to do, very challenging in the legs and the core. Look all the way up to the sky for 3. Keep twisting, 2. Exhale the right hand down, take a deep stretch, and then lower the feet to touch. We'll take our second chair pose together. Bend your knees, raise your arms. Take a full inhale. Exhale your hands to heart center. Breath in. Exhale, twist to the left. Roll your body. Sink the tailbone down and then think about your butt, and if it's pushing way to the right, pull it back to center. Twisting here for 3, 2, and then inhale, come back to chair pose. Exhale, we'll fold forward together. We're gonna sit down into boat. We already did boat pose at the beginning, so have a seat. And then raise your feet up as you pull your knees in. Stay here or reach the arms forward. Hold for 3, 2, we're gonna find that half boat, so slowly lower and hover. Come back up, straight legs if you can. Lower. Come back up. 1 more time, your choice. Maybe use those hands to help you. Come back up. Good, cross your ankles. Sit up tall, reach high into the air. And then I'm just gonna have you fold forward here. So just feel this stretch in your low back. Maybe you can fold further than me. Maybe you have to allow yourself to deepen a different way. Just breathe out. And then inhale slowly, bone by bone. Bring your chest up. Good, reach your arms way up again. And then exhale them back down. Good, as I turn to face you, you can stay where you are or turn towards me if your mat is in my direction. We're just gonna take a nice lateral stretch to the right. So putting the right hand or forearm down, reach up and over. And then exhale to the second side, forearm or palm down, reach up and over. Good, come back to center. And we're gonna interlock those fingers like we've been working on. Press way up into the air. Draw your abs in, look down, and you should see your hips, so look straight down past your chest. Exhale, release your hands, palms face down on your knees, and just let your eyes close here for a couple moments. So allow yourself to notice where your body went during this sequence. Where at the very beginning we allowed ourselves to let our minds be open and think about and feel kind of where you're at right now in this month or your goals for the year. Stay focused on you and your body. Let your hands come to your heart. Thank you guys for your practice. Have a beautiful day. Please bow forward. Namaste. Thank you everyone and happy February.